Video with HTML overview. Now, first, what is the meaning of HTML? HTML is an acronym. You need to know that. And the acronym stands for Hypertext Markup Language, as you can see on my screen. Hypertext Markup Language. That is the meaning of HTML. Now, and HTML is the most widely used language to write web pages. That is HTML for you. And hypertext refers to the way in which web pages, that is the HTML documents, are linked together. The link available on the web pages are called the hypertext, just as you can see on my screen, guys. HTML you can call HTML origin for page building. So HTML will help you to build your page, guys. If you understand HTML language very well, you will be able to build a web page for yourself. You can be able to build simple web pages, right? Are you getting what I'm saying now? And what are those things you need to learn in HTML? Very simple, but briefly we are going to discuss some of these things here. But for the sake of this video, we are going to take the definition. We have taken the definition already. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Please do not forget. Now, originally HTML was developed with the internet, or defining the structure of documents like heading, paragraphs, lists, and so on and so forth, to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. So in HTML, we use HTML for structuring. We use HTML to structure our page. We use HTML to structure our documents, such as heading, paragraphing, lists, and so on and so forth. Guys, are you getting what I'm saying now? So when HTML was developed, in fact, it was so cool, because when we have HTML, we will be able to we'll be able to build web pages. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Though before we used to have different kinds of programming languages, but when HTML came, the story changed, guys. Now, what is the format of HTML? HTML have its own format. But don't forget that the latest HTML that we have now is the HTML5. We have different versions of HTML, which I'm not even going to mention. That I will if you know it, you can drop your answer in the comment section below. If you know the versions of HTML, all the versions of HTML that we have, if you know it, drop your answer in the comment section below. Or if you don't know it, you want to know it, you want me to do a tutorial video to tell you how different versions of HTML languages, how their different versions work, then I will do the tutorial video. Just drop it in the comment section below, guys. Are you with me? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you basic HTML format. HTML has its own format, just like CSS, JavaScript, and some other programming languages. HTML is a baba, and it is the beginning of all the programming languages, because it is through HTML we can achieve simple and basic web page. Are you getting it now? So let us now look at the basic HTML document format. Now, when you want to write HTML page, you need to begin with this. What is that? You need to begin with the doc type. You need to begin with the doc type. Now, you can see this on my screen. Can you see that? This is exactly how to start the HTML. Can you see that? That's exactly how to start HTML. Now, let me simply show you something. Look at this. Doc type. The meaning of doc type. Doc type is the tag that defines the document type and HTML version. Can you see that? That is for the doc type. Now, for HTML tag, this tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of document header, which is represented by the head tag, that's open bracket, head, and close the bracket. Then you close it like this with a /. Don't forget that in HTML, whenever I say bracket, whenever you hear bracket in HTML, you are talking about the greater than and less than. That's the bracket we regularly use in HTML, or we normally use in HTML. Do you understand now? That is it. And we have another tag here, which is the head tag, and this tag represents the document header, which can keep other HTML tags like title. So it means that in our head tag we can have other tags under it, which is what? Title tags, link tag, and other tags like that. Are you getting it now? Now what is this title tag? Look at this tag. Now we have title tag. Can you see that title tag? Now the title tag is used inside the head tag to mention the word, to mention the document title. So the title tag will help you to tell the compiler, the compiler will tell the browser that, okay, this is the title of your page. Are you getting it now? Then we also have the body tag. Now this tag represents the document's body, which keeps what other HTML tags like the header, from header 1 to header 6, or also your div, that's divisional, then also your paragraph tag, and so on and so forth. So all other tags are in the body tag. In fact, anything you want your compiler to show, to pick and tell your browser to show when you test run, will be put in your body. So anything inside your body are those ones that will show, aside your title. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Then we have the h1 tag. This h1 tag represents the heading. We have heading from heading 1 to heading 6. So heading 1 is h1, heading 2 is h2, h3, h4, h5, h6 respectively. Are you getting it now? Then we have the paragraph tag, which is p. Paragraph tag p. Are you getting it now? Now the tag represents a paragraph, just like the name implies, p. It represents paragraph. Can you see now? Now how do you begin with all of this? How do you make all of this become real? Are you still having issues to begin, even as you've known that, okay, this is what we call HTML tag, this is the description, and this is what we use it to do? Are you getting what I'm saying now? Okay, if you're having difficulty and you don't know how to start, let me just give you a clue or hint on how to start. First, what do you want to do? You want to go to, just on your smartphone, guy, or if you are using laptop or desktop computer, if you have a computer, maybe Windows version, just download Visual Studio Code, guys. Download Visual Studio Code editor. Is an editor, is a code editor. Are you getting it now? It's a code editor. Just download Visual Studio Code editor on your computer, whether laptop or desktop, is going to work. But if you are not using computer, if you are using smartphone, are you getting me now? If you are using smartphone, just download TrebEdit. How do you do that? I'm going to show you now in this video. Okay, then you have to go to your Play Store. First, I'm going to turn on my data, because you can see I'm offline, my data is not on. Then I will go to Play Store. You can get TrebEdit on your Play Store. Then I will go to Play Store. Okay, just like this. Now then, getting to Play Store, I will search for TrebEdit. Search for TrebEdit. TrebEdit. Can you see? This is it here, TrebEdit. Can you see that? Okay, TrebEdit. Now here, now it is saying installed, open, because I already have it on my phone. I already have it on my device. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do now, if you don't have it before, here you are going to see install, and that is where you click to install it. Do you understand? So here now, I'm just going to click on open. But before I do that, let me off my data because it is offline. Okay, my TrebEdit is opening. Okay, can you see that? Okay, now when you open TrebEdit for the first time, you can see here it's showing my work, because this is a sample of a document saved by one of my students. Okay, so here now you can let me just close this one. Let me close this one, and then let me have this. Okay, when you open TrebEdit for the first time, what you are going to be seeing is this untitled test. Can you see that? Untitled test. So what you want to do here is, you want to start your HTML programming, right? So first thing, I told you, when you are writing programming language, everything is line by line, is on program lines. Everything is line by line, is on program lines. So you are going to see line 1. Don't be surprised when you see 1 here. 1 here means line 1. Are you getting it now? So then you come here, you now type HTML. Okay, you type HTML. Okay, or you come here, can you see HTML snippets? Can you see that? Then let me cancel this one and just put HTML snippets. Can you see that? So this is why TrebeEdit is very good, guys. Can you see? So it has brought the format. This is just a simple format of the HTML. So can you see the doc type I was talking about? It has simply brought everything for you to just make use of them. So the doc type is HTML. The the language is English. Can you see that? Now at this your body type, in this your body, you can see that the body, it has even open and close all the tags for us. Can you see that? It has open and close all the tags for us. So it has opened the body tag and closed the body tag. So this middle line, which is line 8, is meant for you to write any instruction that you want to show in your body, that you want to contain in your body. Do you understand? Or you want your body to contain. Do you understand now? Okay, now in today's video, this is where I'm going to stop. In today's video, I'm not going to, in the next video, by the special grace of God, I'm going to do what I'm going to begin with some tags in HTML. Then we should begin with heading tag. Yes, the heading tag, that's the H1 to H6. Then we go to paragraph tags and some other tags like that. Then we start talking about attributes. Do you understand? But for the sake of this video, I don't want the video to be too long or too lengthy, so we are going to stop here. But mind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that now because that's going to help you. Subscription, it won't cost you anything, you know that. It will even help you. So your subscription will help you, and make sure you turn on the notification bell because that will help you to receive notification. You are going to receive notice anytime I drop this kind of information because it's going to help you. This is very much educative, guys, and you can also do way to share it to as many as possible who need knowledge on coding. So this is how to start coding journey. So if you are there and you don't know what to do, you want to start coding, you just have a smartphone, this is how to start the journey. It is there's no magic. It is very simple, guys. And I promise you, I'm going to make everything very simple to you. I'll be flexible and I'll make sure that everything I'm doing here is very plain and very simple. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.